Alright, welcome to my video. My name is Maziwhyte, and I'm just so glad to have you out there right now watching me. And in case this is the first time you're watching me online on this channel, please do me a favor. This is a new channel, alright, and I want you to go straight on and subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, and leave a comment, alright, leave a like also. What I do on this channel is purely affiliate marketing, all right. I bring you informations that are going to help you to do affiliate marketing and to do it with result, all right. And affiliate marketing is simply the process of promoting other people's product and services online and thereby earning affiliate commissions, all right. And I tell you, this is one of the most beautiful way for you to start your online business without committing cash, without committing your fund or money, all right. Because basically the entire product on affiliate programs or platforms are purely free product, so you don't need to buy products, you don't need to buy any inventory. The only thing that you need is to learn how to do it, how to set up your sales funnels on the internet and begin to make profits, all right. There are thousands of affiliate platforms out there that you could go sign up and begin to crush it on the internet, all right. So what I'm going to be doing on this video today is show you about 6 websites that will make you rich in 2021, all right. It's about 6 websites that are going to make you rich in 2021, and all that you need to do to make money from this website is just get the training, get affiliate training, all right. Get affiliate training, learn how to build your marketing funnels, your sales funnel, all right. Learn how to do that and just go on the internet and begin to crush it. And when I say crush it, go and make money on the internet, all right. And website number one that is likely to make you rich in 2021 is clickbank.com. Go online and check out clickbank.com, especially if you're beginning to develop the interest to make money on the internet. Go and check out clickbank.com. Clickbank.com is an affiliate marketing place that have this plethora of products, all right. Several products, thousands of products from different vendors, all right, that you can learn how to promote. Go on the internet, build your funnel and begin to promote them. The amazing thing I said repeatedly is that you don't need to pay for those products, all right. You don't need to build inventories from those platforms. All you need to do is learn how to promote them, and they are just there for you to promote. And of course, Clickbank has been there over time for years, more than 25 years. And you're talking about product from weight loss to health, fitness, make money online, business builder tools, all right. Social media marketing tools. Go to Clickbank and find out what resonates with you that you can promote, all right. Now the second website is Warrior Plus, and Warrior Plus is another Clickbank alternative with thousands of products from vendors listed on that platform. And I tell you, the commissions are exponential. The commissions are just phenomenal. You can key into those products and make affiliate platforms, all right, in the tone of hundreds of dollars, all right. Check out Warrior Plus. Number 3 platform or website where you could make you rich in 2021 is Digi Plus, all right. Digi Plus, Digi24, all right. And Digi24 is about one of the biggest affiliate platform in Europe, all right. Digi24 has free product ranging from business builder tools, social media marketing tools, make money online tools. Just go and check out what you can promote on Digi24. And Digi24 is a worldwide affiliate platform that accepts people from different parts of the world. And of course, if you get there and you discover that your country is not accepted, there's a way around about it. All right, you could sign up with using VPN and learn how to promote product from that platform. All right, it's an amazing platform. Website number 4 is JVZoo. JVZoo. Oh boy, this is another amazing platform where you could go and sign up on JVZoo. It's another website that is going to make you rich in 2021. Sign up on JVZoo and promote affiliate product on JVZoo. All right, and JVZoo got a lot of digital product, info product, social media products, make money online products. Go and check out JVZoo. All right, it's a fantastic platform, fantastic affiliate platform. Check out JVZoo. So site number 5, where you can also go make money, and you are bound to get rich if you just know how to promote product on that platform, is udemy.com. And of course, if you've been online over time, you should know what udemy.com is. Udemy.com is an online course provider, all right, with about 13,000 courses on their platforms, and they got excellent instructors, they got students online, and you could go sign into Udemy affiliate program and promote product from that platform. I tell you, the product on that platform, they are converting. All right, you are talking about professional digital products, all right, from website building to analytics to digital marketing courses, fashion courses, how to play piano courses, music courses. Think about any profession. There is a course on there are courses on udemy.com that every professional can key into and scale his profession. All right, so digital product or courses on udemy.com are highly converting product that you can promote online and make money with them. All right, so please, if you're watching me for the first time, I encourage you to go on and subscribe right now. Subscribe to my channel right now, hit the notification button, and leave a comment if what I'm doing here is informational to you. All right, now the final website is expertnear.com. So if you're within Nigeria, or you're in Ghana, you're in West Africa, or anywhere in Africa, you can sign into expertnear.com. Now expertnear.com is Africa's own ClickBank. All right, expertnear.com is Africa's own ClickBank with hot digital products that are converting like crazy. All right, the product on these platforms are converting like crazy. I tell you, it's insane. It's insane. And one of the products on that platform is that is converting like crazy is this 72 IG implementation system. And what this program is about is this program holds you by the hand and give you everything that you need to set up your online business and begin to crush it in a matter of days. All right, I'm talking about sample web pages, sample preset copies, sample email copies, sample landing page copies that you can use to set up your business on the internet and begin to run and crush it in a matter of days. So I'm going to leave a link below this video, or if you want to sign up with expertnear.com as an affiliate and begin to promote product on that platform, you can go on and use that link. And also I'm going to leave a link to a particular training, to a particular training that is the 72 IG implementation system. I'm going to leave the training in this video. I want you to watch the training. You just go ahead and watch the training and tell me how you feel about that training. All right, I'm going to leave my email below this video. You can email me and tell me what you think about that training. Then of course, if you need my assistance in doing affiliate marketing, you don't really know how to do affiliate marketing, or it's overwhelming for you, I want you to message me, okay, email me, contact me, and I'm just gonna put you to. God bless you for being there. Please subscribe to my channel and go on and give me a like. Thank you for being there till the end of this video. God bless you. See you in my next video. Thank you so much. My name is Maziwhyte. Thanks.